Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about how to fill your travel information for PR portal.
Your travel information IMM 5562. Let's review. Click on edit. So in this section, you need to enter a history of all of the trips you had and any family members have taken outside of your home country or the one you live in past 10 years or since your 18th birthday, whichever is more recent. Include all trips, including those for tourism, business, training, any other reason. That means if you have been outside your home country, you have to fill that information here. Click on continue. And this one is for primary applicant, your family name and your given name. I have to delete this and scroll down. So if you have more than 200 trips, then you have to prepare a supporting document mentioning all 201 plus details. So in this digital form, you can put 200 trips. This is my first trip. I went to Stockholm, Sweden for 1 month. So this is a start date, end date, destination, city and country, Stockholm, Sweden. For 30 days, my purpose of travel was business. So I click on save and continue. I only have one trip, so I added one trip. If you have any more, you can add any more. So this is for my spouse. She also traveled with me for Stockholm. So dates are same, city is same, length is same, but the purpose here is changed. So she went with me as a tourist. So the purpose is tourist here. And for my spouse, there is no another travel. So I will click on save and continue. And this is for your children. So this section is for children only. They are 18 years and older. If they are less than 18 years during the travel, then you don't have to mention. So click on do not travel and leave everything blank and click on complete and return to application. So you will see green tick mark here which says it is ready to submit, and this was the last digital form that you have to fill online.
That's everything in this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.